I'm Chasity Irwin. I work for SABIC in Bay St. Louis, Mississippi, and I'm the environmental engineer. SABIC at Bay St. Louis makes a lightweight plastic, ABS or polypropylene for vehicles. I have been on this site for about 2 years, almost 2 years, but I've been working for SABIC for almost 3. I went to Mississippi State University and I majored in chemical engineering with a minor in environmental sustainability. No, I had no idea what an engineer was or did. I am a first-generation college student, so I had no context of that until about 9th grade. I went through a fellowship with a power company and I learned what engineers are and women can do that. And so when I went to college, I decided to major in chemical engineering. I grew up fishing with my grandfather and my dad, and my whole family are avid outdoorsmen. So growing up, that's where we were. We were outside, and that's kind of how I found this passion, and that's why it's really important. In school, it was very male-dominated. The classes were not split evenly. I think it was maybe 20-80. Because there were so few of us girls, we kind of teamed together and try to get things done. There were a lot of all-girl teams for projects. When I was applying for different jobs, I did co-ops and internships. I was looking for something, one, that I was interested in, but also two, somewhere I was received well. Everyone on site at SABIC has really well received me. Being a woman, I know I'm one of few here, but I never really feel that way. They always make sure they respect me just like they respect the other men. Whenever I'm working on a project, they come and talk to me about it instead of talking to my counterparts. So I feel like they've treated me equally this whole time, and I don't really feel out of place. I have twins. They are 17 months old. I have a little boy and a little girl, Sutton and Walker. And then I have a 3-month-old, Harper. With work and home, it can kind of be a little crazy. It takes a village, but we're just figuring it out day by day. And my husband actually works here. He's an engineer also. So at home, I definitely feel a push to try to be traditional and try to make sure I'm keeping up with the house and the kids and the activities. But my husband's been really supportive and take a step back. It's not pressure from me as a woman in engineering, but also a woman in manufacturing. When you look at that as a young person, it can be intimidating, and you're like, will I be supported? Will I get what I need? Can I do both? I know early on, I was told that I couldn't. I would have to choose one day, and I don't. I have both. I have a really good family that supports me, and I love my children, and I also have a really good career with a wonderful boss and a wonderful company. So it's possible. It just takes work.